So we're back working on the LBZ today. The cross member came in, so we're working away on that. Ooh, little bit of rust. Yeah, so we're just getting it prepped and getting it ready for the new cross member. Safety first. I know, take away my man card, I'm reading instructions. But sometimes you just gotta. As you see here, we're just torching out the old one. making a mess of it, which is okay because the new plate, it covers quite a bit, so that's okay. Yeah, finding some other things, which is good. Well, I have the box off because it's better to deal with it now. I've got found the brake line was rotted out. It actually started leaking, so that was good. Also found some broken wires here that were pinched between the fuel tank and the cab. Only one actually broken, but the rest, like, that one's pretty close. This would be why I had no left-hand signal on the trailer, and we're about not to have it right. So it's right there. So it's good to find it now, easier to deal with now. So especially the brake line, that would have sucked. So yeah, we'll just keep grinding the rust out of it, and we'll see what happens. It's been a long day, but I got a lot of it licked today, so it's good. I'm tired. It's late. It's time to go home. I've got a fuel line I got it fixed. I got the brake line fixed, but I gotta still fix the wires and to replace this fuel line. It's actually collapsed at the front of the tank, which I was having a fuel rail low pressure code once in a while be really hard on it, so that could definitely be causing it. Yeah, so not so bad. Got shocks, brake line, cross member, fuel tank back in. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. So we're here at the shop again. Play with the LBZ a little bit. We got the box on, as you can see. So that's awesome. Now we're just we're stuck waiting on transmission again. A transmission came in from the wrecker, but they accidentally sent a 5-speed out of a late 05, so that won't work. So it's a bummer, but there's still some more stuff we can play with. We'll probably put this one on hold just till we get the transmission. We're waiting on parts for the quad as well, so that sucks. But we'll probably start playing on the dually a little bit. I'd like to strip it back apart and because start fresh with that one. I don't like how it's turning out. So yeah, move on to the next thing.